how do you track and measure what success is with the promotions you do?
Well, with the $2 promotion, I just noticed that I have a lot of 20s, so that helps a lot. And then it's very for me to track like promotions. The ones that I track are the ones that I push on the internet. Like for Facebook, if I say those are the ones that I track. I bring this in or come in and say a code word, and then I can track it like that. But as far as and then I can always track the 11th wash is free, because the card, it just automatically goes on to the next washer. So and it's more loyalty, and they're usually here, and it makes the customer stay loyal for the most part. But as far as tracking, the ones that I can only track are from my web page, like Google AdWords and stuff like that, for the backlinks and things like that. Those are the only ones I can really track. I can't track I can't track the in-store. I do notice a lot of 20s. That's about it. And a lot more store traffic. And if you do a promotion like in the middle of the week, I noticed that, like if I lower like a row of washers, and I've been known to do that a lot. So I'll lower a row of washers a dollar or two from a certain time period, from like 10 to 2 on a dead area. I noticed like on a Wednesday, like a dead day in laundry, that'll really jump up as well, and I can track that on promotions. But that's it.
So your 11th wash, is that across all 9 laundromats? It doesn't matter where you do your laundry?
Correct. And you can use the same card at any store. So it's non-proprietary at any store. So
great. Sharon, how about you? How do you track and measure success for the promotions that you do?
On the rewards on the app, it's very similar to LaundryWorks. On Speed Queen app, I can tell. I have reports that tell me how many, actually my owner's app tells me how many dollars worth of rewards were actually used and how many were given. Thursday used to be our slowest day of the week, so that has been our double rewards on Thursdays. So for every $1 that you spend, you get 2 points instead of just 1 point. I do notice now that Thursday is no longer our slowest day of the week. It's just like any grocery store rewards, bonus points, gas stations, stuff like that. You spend the money, you're getting the rewards built back up. So rather than overtly giving it away, you're rewarding them for usage. So I might have to change that to maybe Wednesday or something like that. Like today I was just looking at the numbers, and although the weather is really nice here, of course, it depends on the weather, right? If it's rainy, you're not going to get as much business, but it's sunny and it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Yeah, it's sunny here today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I was just looking at the numbers, and we're going gangbusters today. So it'll probably be dead tomorrow. But I might have to switch up those double rewards, or maybe make it triple rewards on Wednesdays and just double on Thursdays or something like that. But that makes it, making it automated like that makes it super easy to track, as opposed to just being, I'm just kind of guessing as far as, I wonder how much foot traffic or how much word of mouth I'm getting. Yeah. And then of course, your Google ads, you can click on, you can check your clicks and how many people are actually calling your store based on your Google ads, stuff like that. But do they come and spend dollars? Not sure. So.
And you touched on a little bit how you track. I don't know if you want to add any more to that, because it sounds like you track a little differently.
Well, what I was referring to in terms of tracking was one more piece of marketing that we do. Let's talk about how we track that one. I actually stole this strategy from another laundry owner that I look up to, and so feel free to steal as much as you can. It's no need to reinvent the wheel, and that's what I did. And what we do our software, again, allows us to send SMS messages. If we see that the route is light, this is specifically on the pickup and delivery side, we send a message that basically says, our driver's going to be in your area. If you place an order today, you'll get $10 off, $15 off, $20 off, whatever the number you want to add in there is that you can handle. Those convert like crazy. So if anyone out there is wondering if this type of campaign can work, it does work. Just don't overuse it. I basically subscribe to all the services in my neighborhood as a customer, and just to see what they're doing and see if, I can steal any ideas. And in one instance, I kept getting that same message every single day that the driver's in my area. I got annoyed and I, unsubscribed. So don't overuse it. You don't want the customers to unsubscribe. Do it sparingly, but when you do it, know that it can be successful. In our case, definitely has been something that we lean on. Other forms of tracking for email marketing and SMS marketing in general. So if we're doing promotions, seasonal promotions, we lean on heavily. That's something that we'll probably discuss later today. And we track basically that if we have 10% engagement or 10% usage of a promotion, then that's a successful campaign. Keep going, do something like it. Anything less than that, it depends. We're not going to cut it off at 9%. But 10% is the threshold that we try to go with.
That's great. And I assume sometimes it depends on if you spent money for the campaign. You want to at least clear what you spent on the campaign if there were dollars used.
Definitely.